In this video, we will see how to add your Outlook calendar to your Google Calendar. Okay, so guys, if you want to add your task, your team, your calls, and your meetings to your Google Calendar and sync with your Outlook, so guys, it is very easy. Okay, so guys, first of all, you go to your calendar option. In the calendar option, so guys, here you see I have some meetings, so I am also add some more meetings to verify and check it. Okay, so just add one more task like task 2 and mark it to the save. Okay, save. Okay, here it shape. Okay, now guys, you go to your setting section. In the setting section, guys, go to calendar. In the calendar section, here you see the option of shared calendar. Okay, so just go here and here you go select. Here you select your calendar and click on share. If you want to directly share with the mail, so you just enter the, otherwise you go here and here you again select the calendar, then select permissions. Okay, I choose a second one, then click on the publish. After clicking on the publish, here you see that you have the lot of things like unpublish your calendar, reset the link. Okay, when you got these things, so you copy this ICS link, so just right click on it and copy it. After copying, you go to your Google Calendar and sign up with your Google account. Okay, after sign in, you move downward and guys, here you see the option of my calendar and other calendar. Okay, so here you just click other calendar, add another calendar from the URL. Okay, so just paste your URL here. So again go back, sorry, just select all, copy link, copy, go here and paste. Now guys, here you add calendar. It take 30 to 40 seconds to adding. You just wait. Your calendar is adding and fetching the data in the background. Now you go back and guys, here you see that my meeting and no titles, that same as shows in my Outlook calendar. Here you check on 23 no subject meeting and I have a meeting on 25, so just same is show here, meeting at 11 p.m. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.